Here's what moved markets today. US equity markets consolidated following recent gains, with oil prices declining sharply after reports of tanker escort operations were later disputed. Markets await upcoming inflation data releases as the next catalyst for directional movement. Bitcoin traded near the $70,000 level, with ETF inflows resuming after a brief pause. The combination of price stability and renewed institutional flows occurred during a period of improving risk sentiment and reduced geopolitical tensions. Stablecoin transaction volumes reached $33 trillion on an annualized basis, reflecting continued growth in blockchain-based payment infrastructure. XRP ETF products recorded net inflows as regulated investment vehicles expand across different digital asset categories. Tokenized real-world assets reached $25 billion in market value, representing merely a four-fold increase over the past year. The growth reflects expanding institutional adoption of blockchain-based securities, real estate tokens, and other digitized traditional assets. Analysis of Bitcoin mining economics reaffirms energy costs as the primary operational variable, with profitability closely tied to electricity prices and network difficulty adjustments. The energy-intensive nature of proof-of-work mining continues to drive facility location decisions. Mining company SharpLink reported a $735 million unrealized loss on Ethereum holdings in recent financial disclosures, despite generating solid revenue from staking operations. The accounting reflects mark-to-market treatment of digital asset treasury positions. Looking at this morning's price action as of 10:15 Central European Time, gains are modest across the board. Cosmos up 2.54%, Starknet adding 1.4%, and Avalanche gaining 1.18%. Muted upside across interoperability, Layer 2, and smart contract platforms. On the downside, selling pressure is more decisive. Knight down 6.19%, Filecoin off 6.18%, and Dogwifhat declining 4.57%. Concentrated weakness in newer protocols and meme tokens, with losses significantly outpacing gains. The pattern shows limited buying interest and more pronounced selling in specific sectors. Market conditions reflect cautious positioning rather than risk appetite, with most protocols trading in narrow ranges while select names face heavier pressure. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index pulls back to 25, edging down from the recent reading of 27. The modest decline reflects today's market structure, where small gains are outpaced by more decisive losses in select protocols. Sentiment has oscillated between 20 and 29 over the past 2 weeks, unable to establish sustained momentum in either direction. The index remains firmly in fear territory, with market psychology showing defensive positioning despite periodic improvements. The continued range-bound movement in sentiment mirrors the price action we're observing. Limited conviction on either side, cautious institutional flows, and event-driven volatility rather than directional trends. Fear remains the dominant sentiment. That's your Bitcoin Suisse daily market update for today. If you found this valuable, like and subscribe for your daily briefing from the natives.